Okay, so in this video, I want to show you how you can access the latest Grok 2.0 imaging for absolutely free. I made a video recently. A lot of you were saying that you cannot use it. So I want to make a detailed video showing you how to access this. Now, if you skip the exact step I'm using in this video, you won't generate anything. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use it using your mobile phone. So go ahead and open your Chrome browser, pick your phone, and let's do it together. So once you are here, what I need to do is to type in this Grok AI. You can see this, right? Click on it. Awesome. So let me zoom in so that I can see it very well. This is the one I'm going to use, grok.com, right? You can literally type it grok.com, or you just come through using this route. It's still the same thing. Now this method works both on your PC and on your mobile phone. Like I'm using my mobile phone now. Okay, so follow along, please. So once your Grok is open this way, now this is not the mobile app. You can download the app. They also have mobile app. You can download the app from Google Play Store. If you are using Android phone, Apple phone, you can use the App Store. So at this point, I'm going to sign in to the platform before I can have access to this latest Grok. Sign in. If you don't have an account, sign up. If you have an account, sign in using any email of my choice. Now, this time around, I'm not using any temporary email. So you see, you can see login with Gmail, login with Google, login with X, login with Apple, login with email, or you sign up. But I'm going to go ahead and log in with my email account. So this is what is going to happen. You will see completing sign in. You just wait a bit. Okay, so you can see literally I'm not connected to X, so I'm using normal free account. This is not using X, formerly known as Twitter. I'm not using that. I can still upgrade. I'm not upgrading. All right, so this is a free account. You can literally click this three dots to set it to desktop site. All right, now see I'm adjusting it to desktop site. At this moment, you are going to see the page very well, like you are seeing here. All right, so this is my account. So what is going to happen is that return to Grok. So I'm going to return to Grok at the top of your screen here. Okay, so I am on the interface right now. You can see this. So this is my free version. So you come down, you come up here to the left hand corner of your screen. You want to see search, you want to see new chat, you want to see imaging, you will see automation, and you want to see skills and connectors. So what we are going to use is we are going to go ahead and click on this imaging. Once you click on that imaging, you are going to see this. Now this is it. Look down here, you can see this, right? At the down bottom of your screen, you see try out introducing image 2.0. All right, now this is the powerful image generation model, better at detail. So we are going to see how powerful it is. Like I said, you can use this platform, this new model, to generate unlimited images. Okay, so let's go ahead and try and see the quality of an image on this platform. All right, so I'm going to just say give a simple prompt. Okay, so I'm going to give a simple prompt. All right, very simple. So let's see if it's going to give us exactly according to our prompt. Okay, so I'm going to see this, select this aspect ratio to the aspect ratio of your choice. I'm going to select 16:9, and the quality is okay at that moment, and everything is cool. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this generate. So the good part about this platform is when you send it, it's going to give you in two variations like this. Okay, what you need to do is just wait and it will generate. Now, how many images can one generate in a day? So as at the moment, it can accumulate up to 9 to 10 images per day. Okay, so this is cool, right? You can see the image came out very well. This is realistic, exactly as I wanted, right? So if you are cool with this, what you need to do is just click on this, click on the image itself, and you see download image, and it will be downloading into your system and into your phone. Let's see the quality of video on this platform, because the question is, how do we now animate this? Okay, now this is the part that you need to pay close attention to. All right, so after I've gotten my image and then you've seen my reference image, like you've seen the quality of images platform can generate. Now if you want to edit this image as it is now, if you come up here, look up here, I want to see this arrow, this sign. Come up here, I want to see this sign here, this little sign, right? Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see it's going to bring up these options. It's going to bring up this option that is at the bottom of your screen. All right,
You can literally crop this image, you can remove the background, and you can make video. You can do precise edit. So if you want to, if you have a particular thing you want to edit from here, you can literally, drag on it. Now here is the second option of that same prompt, right? The same prompt, you can see this, right? So anyone that is sitting well with you, go ahead and download this. Okay, so now let's animate this and then let's see the quality of video this platform is generating. Okay, so I want to go back here. Now once you come here, I want to see this sign. Let's scroll. Let me zoom in so I can see very well. You can see this video, right? Select it. Yes, you start switch to video. Then click this plus sign to bring in the images or the image you want to, use to animate. So here I already have generations, the ones I've generated on this platform. But if you want to bring it from your mobile phone, you can go ahead and click upload media. Once you upload media, it will take you to your mobile phone. You upload the image you want to use. Okay, please, these settings, with the right settings, you'll be able to generate for free. But if you rush from here to generate, it will not work, and you'll come back to the comment section and say it's not working. So if you've watched it this time, then you need to like the video, because you've already gotten the secret on how to generate the using Grok 2.0 image. Okay, now I'm going to select the image I want to animate, any one of my choice. So I'll pick that, right? Okay, now once you select that, is added. You can see this is added here. So I'm going to go ahead and paste just a simple, prompt. Let's see the quality. Watch the setting. Now I don't have so much to say, right? All right. So at this point, this settings is very crucial, because with the right settings, you can generate on this platform. Leave it at 480p, because if you try to use 720p, it will require that you pay, and you're not ready for payment. And then if you switch to 10 seconds, it will require that you pay. So leave it at 6 seconds. All right. Now this, your sound is on. Okay, everything is cool. So I want to go ahead and hit generate. You can see this is generating. So this is how you use this platform. And what I want to say here is this platform support, as at now, it supports one video generation, okay, per email. So you can sign out and log in with a new email and generate and continue like that. All right. And in no time, our video is here. So let's preview this and see.
Ready to lose?
You wish. I'm winning.
Not for long.
We'll see.
So it came out so real. The perfect lip sync, the dialogue. I didn't give so much prompt. I just gave a simple prompt, and it came out so real, 6 seconds. And I love it. Okay, if you want to download this, can click on this image, okay, and download video.
So if you've watched this time, let me know if every step was clear. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section, because I'll be reading everything. And guys, until then, see you in the next one.